A little bit. They're legal. Sobriety checkpoints are legal. They do give notice. That's, the law is really clear that those are legal procedures, investigative tools that the police have. It changes things for the defense from the perspective of that there's been no bad driving that the officer observed.
Right.
Because when you're in a sobriety checkpoint, you're just pulling up and they're getting to the point of sniffing out whether or not it smells like alcohol. That's really the first move, right? And then they ask, so have you been drinking tonight? Well, if you say half a beer, oh, please step out of the car. We're going to do some field sobriety tests, So at least what you have in mitigation, if ultimately it turns out that there's some probable cause developed based on that encounter at the checkpoint, it leads to your arrest. It allows a little bit of mitigation for the defense attorney with the DA to say, well, there was no bad driving, there's no accident, there's no weaving, it was just a sobriety checkpoint situation, and his test came back. And then it also leads to a better, perhaps, motion to suppress, because there really was no probable cause to make a stop. And then you have you could argue just the field sobriety tests as being insufficient enough to make an arrest, if there's those facts present. So